Greetings. Welcome to today's video. Today we are going to be making some peppermint bark. Yeah, pretty simple stuff. Just pretty much just gonna be melting chocolate and then putting it into a pan and then melting more chocolate and then putting it on top of that pan and then putting that on top and then putting it on top. Yeah, so let's get into it. Alrighty. So we're gonna start with the dark chocolate first. I think mint and dark chocolate goes pretty good, but other than that, dark chocolate is terrible, in my opinion. But yeah, I'm gonna put this all in a bowl and I'm gonna melt it. Pretty simple. Oh, yeah. So I'm gonna basically keep putting that in the microwave for 30-second increments. Stir it around, 30 seconds, stir it around, just so it doesn't burn. Yeah. So that's the first 30 seconds. Gotta just kind of stir it around a little bit. Just kind of move it around a bit, just so it doesn't burn. Another 30 seconds. While that is going, I'm gonna get ready the pan. Yep, now it's starting to melt pretty good. Pretty good. What the heck? This bowl is melted on the bottom. If you can see that, that's funny. Yeah, just look at that. Getting nice and light. Nice and, not light, but nice and soft. Put that in the microwave one more time. And it might be better on the smaller pan now that I think about it. I am changing my mind. I'm going back to the smaller pan. Holy moly, that's loud. So I'm gonna line this pan. So that way it doesn't stick. I think that fits good enough. Oh yeah. Nice and soft, nice and liquidy. Look at that. I moved the camera up a bit so you can see, but I've got the liquid chocolate here. And I'm just gonna pour it on. I just dropped that. Just dropped the bowl. Just trying to make it as even as possible. That's good. Cool. So that's the first layer. I'm gonna let this cool, and then I will get back to you. Alrighty. We're back. Now with a microphone, if you can't see. Microphone right there. Quite nice, quite nice. I put the chocolate in the pan in the fridge. Yeah. All Alrighty. So we got the white chocolate. Putting it in there, same as before, and like before, grabbing a handful. Come on, chomp. Now we're gonna microwave it. Alrighty, second round, looking a lot softer now. Yeah, probably gonna need one more microwave of it all, and then while that microwaves, all right, got the slap chop. Remember this, the slap chop? Alrighty, sure you do. Okay, we're gonna take out all these freaking candy canes here. That's liquidy. That's liquid right there. Liquid. So I'll put that off to the side, and then I'm gonna open all these candy canes. All in there. I'll again collect all of the dust because I'm an idiot and realized I don't actually have peppermint extract. So we got a couple of candy canes lately broken up. Put it in here. That smells good. Yeah. Look at that. Camera, look at that. Look at that. Nice and crushed up. Nice and crushed up. Amazing. Ooh! Almost dropped it. So that's nice and fine. We're gonna put that in with the chocolate. Oh, I left a wrapper in there, I guess. Whoopsie daisy. And then just gotta get that in there. Get it on the other side. Get it on the side first before showing it. Boom! Look at that in there. Nice. That'll be good. I'm gonna run to the fridge in the garage because it's colder. Alrighty. We got the pan with the original chocolate on it. Clear out the area so we can pour. Got our chocolate here, and we're gonna just pour it on. That's pretty good for now. And then I'm just gonna spread it out. Cool. Look at that. Oh, don't make it drop it. Look at that. Nice. And then I'll grab one last candy cane with bigger chunks instead of really slamming on it. So I fear some of the chocolate may have solidified already, but that's fine. It's still gonna taste good no matter how good it looks. Yeah. Still gonna taste good, doesn't matter what it looks like. That is the peppermint bark. That's pretty good looking actually. Pretty nice. I'm gonna go put this in the fridge, make sure it's fully cool, and then I will be back to break it up, try a little bit of it. Yeah. Alrighty. It has set. It's looking pretty good. I'm gonna break it up into little, not little pieces, but medium-sized pieces. That didn't do anything. No. Bow, 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 bow. We'll be right back after these messages. Ugh, there we go. Boom. Boom, y'all. Oh, separated. It's fine. It also took up a bunch of the frickin'. Oh, man. No! Oh! No, no. Welp. I fear I just need to be more careful. That's the peppermint bark. Try and get some bendy dark chocolate. So yeah, that's the peppermint bark. It's pretty good. I think the reason why it didn't break up very good is because this dark chocolate, they keep separating, right? I think it's because the dark chocolate bends before breaking. So I think the problem is that the white chocolate just snaps, but this bends, so when the dark chocolate bends, it like separates it. Which that sucks, but what are you gonna do? Thank you so much for watching this video. It's very fun making it. I like chocolate. So yeah, I shall see you guys next time. You can talk. I'll cut this part out. Like,
No, don't.
what do you want me to do?